Hey, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you doing?
Well, how are you?
I'm wonderful. What may I get you this evening?
Surprising.
Surprise me.
Maybe it's really good.
Beijing.
Yep.
All right. Wonderful. So, if we need to make it Beijing, there's a few things we need. Yeah? So we need, first of all, a bit of passion. Because we are passionate in Barbados. Passion. Of course, so Beijing is a little sweet. So we had just a hint of sweetness. Beijing's like to say we keep things acid. So in that case, a little swig of citrus. But if we're definitely gonna bring it all the way to Barbados, we're gonna need some tonic, Claytons Kola Tonic. And we add a hearty measure of that on the inside. There's nothing like that cola nut experience. With all these wonderful qualities on the inside, you gotta bring it together and add a hint of silkiness. It is. Marvelous. Add a bit of magic. Shake it all up. Then pour the love on the inside. Nothing like a good old garnish. Now this is definitely surprising. So you tell me, what do you think?
This is great.
Of course. I'm on it. Nothing like good old Beijing Claytons Kola Tonic.
So, can you make me one for my man?
Your man?